Hello friends, today we will explain Ivan Gambit part 2. White plays e4, then black respond with e5, nf3, nc6, bc4, bc5 and b4. Bishop take, b4, c3 and here bishop on a5. Let's play bishop a5, then white will play d4, here e cross, d4, then castling. Now see this position. If here black changes his move and play bishop on b6, see this position, he does not capture further, then what will happen? Bishop on b6, then white will take this pawn. Now see this position, white has good control on center. He only gives one pawn, but he will try to prevent castles from this position to black. He will not allow castling. So here nf6 will be refuted by this pawn. So what to do? Here if he tries n7, then this is a bad choice. See this position, nge7, very bad move, because of knight will go to g5 attacking on f7, this square. What to do? He cannot castle, he is gone, because of queen will come to h5 attacking on f7, h7. Then what to do? Only move is h6, then knight will take f7 and black has no good option here. So we will not use this, take the position back. Here this was the position. Here black played this knight e7 and this was bad move. Instead of this, if black plays d6, then what will happen? White will develop his knight on c3. Now what to do? Where this knight will go? Let's say knight on f6. Now what white can do here? Here white should play aggressively. So plays a good move, brilliant move, e5. What to do? How to save this knight? If he takes pawn, then white does not fear. He plays bishop on a3 and here white offers material for initiative and says, you take the material as you can, but leave your king in the center. I will not allow you castling. You can take all of my material. This is Paul Murphy style against delivery. So here black tries bishop g4. See this position carefully. Then white plays queen b3, striking this pawn. What to do? Here black cannot play this queen to d7 because of knight will take this pawn and great problem for black. What to do? Here only chance is bishop on here h5. Now d cross e5, threatening to take this knight. What to do? Here where this knight to save? Only move ng4. Now white plays rook. This rook a on d1, threatening queen, taking queen, and queen has option on c1. He cannot play on this diagonal. Then what to do? Queen, let's say c8, and here a good move e6. See this move. What to do? Here he cannot take because of bishop will come here and This queen is threatened again. So he is bound to save with f6. And here, what? Queen on b5. Threatening, threatening, and again threatening this bishop. And now this bishop will move to g6. Here, white strike with a brilliant and splendid, a very fantastic move, bishop d5. Here, black has no option to save this knight. This bishop will take this knight, and here black has no option. So he resigned. Hope you enjoyed this part of Ivan Gambit. If you like the content of this video, please comment and share with your friends. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe the same. Thank you.